Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix. I think everybody knows what Stitch Fix is, but just a rundown. Pay them a $20 styling fee. They'll curate a box of 5 items. Keep what you love, send back what you don't. If you don't like anything, you're out that $20. Love everything, get 25% off. I have the Style Pass. From what has been rumored, they have stopped the Style Pass. I know some other YouTubers who used to get the Style Pass and they were denied renewal of their Style Pass. But fortunately, I still have it and it doesn't expire until July. Well, what is the Style Pass? I paid $149 for the year and I can get an unlimited number of fixes without that styling fee. Shipping is free both ways. And I can keep what I love, send back what I don't, and whatever I do decide to keep gets applied to that $149. So I'm not out any money, and I keep getting clothes sent to me month after month after month, and if I don't like anything, I send it all back. If I do like it, I keep it. So I also get the Stitch Fix preview now, and I save quite a few items to my saved items list. And what ended up happening is in my preview, everything that showed up in my preview was from my list. So I selected 4 out of the 5 items. I said, all right, let me give it a try. All right, so let's talk about the first item that I selected. All right, the first item I selected is the We Wander Violet Longline Shelf Bra in light blue, extra small for $54. Now, when I save things on my wish list, I just hit save. And when I didn't look to check is I'm not an extra small. I'm an extra small in sweaters and blouses, etc. But when it comes to little things like this, like bras, I wear typically a 34C and in a Victoria's Secret sports bras, 34D. That's not an extra small. This was like, I could not breathe in this. I could barely get it over my head. I couldn't pull it down. I'm like, this would be obscene to put on camera. So I took it off and I said, here it is. So this is 80% nylon, 20% spandex. It's very soft to the touch. I say it's a very good quality if you're wondering about We Wander. The straps are not adjustable. It does have the crisscross in the back. Yeah, this is a cute little top for somebody that's skinny mini and has no chest. So this is a no for me. The next item, again, that I said, these are 4 items that I picked from my preview, or all things that I saved. The next item was also in my saved items list. And, you know, it was like one of those things when I was looking at it online, I'm like, am I going to like that or not? And because I was like debating whether to put it in. And I was curious about it. So I said, send it, right? Now that I'm sending it, it's like, it's pretty boring. I do need a gold, of course, who needs anything? But I do need a gold pendant necklace type of thing. I have one that's gold and silver, but no, just plain gold. So this is a pendant necklace, a long one. And it's by MARLYN Shift. It's the Torrey threaded pendant necklace in gold for $44. All right, I'll pull it so you can see the back and see how long it is. And, you know, it's just like a long, thin bar in front. And, you know, I have things that are interesting and like bars, but this particular bar is just like, I don't know. It needed to be a little bit more sculptural, I guess, for me to enjoy it. All right. Next item. This is the Evolution by CYRUS Sana Waffle Zip-Up Cardigan in black, size extra small for $66. So it is a waffle knit texture, as you can see. Okay. It does have a zip, and I was having a problem originally zipping it, but it seems fine now. I guess it was just the original zip that I had a problem with. The material on this, it is an extra small. The material is 80% rayon, 20% nylon. It is hand washed, but you know I would put this in the machine in a garment bag. The thought of wearing, when I said I wanted this and that little crop top, I'm going on a cruise and I want to look cute, and I want to be active. And my active clothes aren't exactly cute. They're practical. So I thought, well, maybe I'll get that little crop top and put on this little sweater cardigan over it with a pair of leggings and make it look a little cuter. You know, if I zip up the cardigan, I'm comfortable enough. And I thought that would be like a cute bra / cami that's enough support for me to be active on the cruise, but not necessarily a big old sports bra, which is what I own. So, you know, obviously that didn't work out, but I am considering this black cardigan because I don't really have anything like it. I do have a black cardigan, but it's a little bit nicer. This is one more casual that I can just throw on and wear with jeans and whatnot. I think this would be a good addition to my wardrobe, so I'm seriously considering this one. It has a very nice feel to it as well, too. It's thin, has a nice feel, mostly rayon, so it's lightweight. Alrighty, give me a minute and I'll try on the next item. Okay, next up, again, it was something that was in my saved items list and my stylist picked it out and sent it to me. Or actually, she didn't send it to me. It was on my saved items list and the algorithm, I believe, sent it to me. It is the Steve Madden Apparel Kiana textured sweater in green, extra small, $79. I do have to say that I like the way it fits better than the way I liked it when I held it up. When I held it up, it looked extremely boxy. It looks a little bit better on. I'm, however, not in love with this sweater. The color is a little strange, and I do have like a spring green sweater that's in cotton and has a little bit more style. I can tell you, I did Google this already to see if it was on sale anywhere. It's not, but this sweater is also on Macy's for the same price and many other boutiques. So what I don't like about this sweater, the color is okay. So I would wear this color if I really enjoyed the sweater, but I don't. I don't like the way it fits. I think it kind of like puckers right here, doesn't lie flat. I'm not fond of the big high crew neck. And I like texture. Something about this texture isn't thrilling me. I feel lumpity bumpity, I guess is what I'm saying in this texture right here. The sweater does have a teeny bit of itch to it, and I believe it's because there's some wool in it. It is 56% acrylic, 9% polyester, 30% nylon, and 5% wool. And I do, in this particular one, feel the wool a little bit. So I think this is a no. I don't think I'd be sad to send this back. I'm glad she sent it along. It was on my list, or glad the algorithm sent it along. And one of the things that she wanted me to tell you, because I am friends with my stylist, Shannon from Shannon's Style, she says, put things on your saved items list. There's no guarantee that she can send anything, but if it's available in your size, she's gonna do her best to pick it out and send it to you. So keep saving away to your items list, because either she or the algorithm, the higher chances are that they're gonna pick it for you. All right, so noted this sweater. Give me a minute, I have one more sweater to try on. Okay, last sweater is the Steve Madden Stephanie sweater in purple, size extra small for $79. So again, I did check other websites. This is a new item in from Steve Madden. It is, again, available on Macy's. Full price, no sale at this time. I did see it at some other boutiques as well. It has like this sweetheart type of neckline. I originally thought this was going to be too low for me, but it's doable and it doesn't even show any cleavage. It is of a purple color. One thing I thought that this sweater was going to be was like mostly cotton and more of a spring-like sweater, but it is not. This sweater is 61% nylon, 21% cotton, all right? 8% polyester, 7% acrylic, and 3% other. It's soft and fuzzy and definitely not something you would be wearing in the spring. I thought it was, you know, they called it a cotton blend, so I was thinking it was like cottonish, but it's not. This is definitely more, I feel nylon and polyester in this versus cotton. So I also have like a fall sweater in this colorway already that's short sleeve, and I hardly ever wear it. So I won't be keeping this one because it's kind of, again, my duplicates rule, and it's kind of an oxymoron, at least in the Northeast, to have a short sleeve sweater unless you're going to be layering. Another reason I don't like it, it is very cropped. I'm only 5'2", and it's going to ride up and show my stomach. It's a little bit too cropped for my liking. Usually I like cropped sweaters because I'm short and then they fit me nice, but this one is just a little bit snug, a little bit tight, and a little bit cropped for my liking. So unfortunately, I think I'm just going to keep the black cardigan in this box because I think it's kind of like something that I'm overly excited about, but I think it's something that is actually kind of needed and useful. Well, what do you think of my box? Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. Take care. Till next time.